Two numbers, A and B, are such that A is greater than B. Their sum is 59. Write down an equation to represent this information. And so for this one, they said that A is greater than B, so A is bigger than B. And their sum, which means that we have to add, their sum is 59. And so that means that an equation to represent this information would be A plus B equals to 59. And it says their difference is 17. And so since their difference is a positive number, we're gonna say A minus B, not B minus A, but A minus B equals to 17. And so these are the two equations that we have here. Next, it states solve your equation. Solve your equations. It says solve your simultaneous equations to find the numbers A and B. And so we have A plus B is equal to 59, and we have A minus B is equal to 17. We're gonna label this equation 1 and label this equation 2. And notice that what we're gonna do is the first step that we're gonna do is we're gonna make A the subject of equation 1. All right, so what does that mean? That means that we wanna put A on one side and everything else is gonna be on the other side. And so we have B, we're gonna send that over the equal sign. So we have A is equal to 59 minus B. So A is equal to 59 minus B. And so the next step so that means that A is the subject of this equation. The next thing that we're gonna do is that we're going to label this as equation 3. So we have A is equal to 59 minus B, and that is equation 3. Next, we're gonna substitute equation 3 into equation 2 and solve for B. Now, what do we mean? So notice that this is equation 3, right? And we have explicitly what A is. We're gonna take this equation and we're gonna substitute it into equation 2, all right? Now, we have equation 2. Equation 2 says that A minus B is equal to 17, but we know what A is. A is 59 minus B. And so we're gonna substitute that into this equation. And so we have that 59 minus B is equal to 17. Indeed, what we have when we remove the brackets is the same thing, 59 minus B, we just remove the brackets. Now we have to combine the like terms. We have minus B, and that's gonna give us negative 2B. So we have 59 minus 2B is equal to 17. And so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take the 59, and we're gonna send it over the equal sign. And so we have negative 2B is equal to 17 minus 59. And 17 minus 59 is definitely negative 42. And so we have minus 2B is equal to negative 42. The next step we're gonna do is we're gonna divide both sides by negative 2. And we're gonna cancel this 2 with that 2. So we're left with B is equal to 21. Why? Because negative 42 divided by negative 2 is going to be positive 21. So B is equal to 21. Now we already know what B is. Let's see if we can find let's use that value to help us define what A is. What is the value of A? So we have to substitute B is equal to 21 into equation 3. So this is equation 3 right here. We're going to substitute our value for B into equation 3 and then solve for A. And so we have that A is equal to 59 minus B. Remember that B is 21, so we have that A is equal to 59 minus 21, and 59 minus 21 is definitely 38. So that means that A is equal to 38. And so we have that A is equal to 38 and B is equal to 21. And so that is the answer to the simultaneous equation. A is equal to 38 and B is equal to 21 is our answer.